everyone, and welcome back to another cleaning video. Today I am doing a clean for the summer, and I thought that I'd take you along with me because a lot of you enjoyed my previous video where I cleaned for the winter. Today I started off with washing up the cups from the morning, and then I did a wipe down of the sink. Since the house is already clean, I will be doing just a top up. The products that I'll be using today is Zoflora, Power Hob and a wood polisher. I am starting off with just wiping down all the surface and countertops. To do this, I am using Zoflora. It is my favourite product to use because of its versatility, and also it comes in lots of beautiful scents which leaves your kitchen and also your house just smelling amazing. I simply dampen a cloth and then spray the location that I'm going to wipe down, and then using the cloth I just wipe over it, and I find this is good just for a general clean, just to get things looking nicer and also for sanitizing. The good thing is that this general wipe down takes me about 10 to 15 minutes. So it is very ideal if you just have a very short amount of time but you want to freshen up the kitchen. The Zoflora also leaves behind a beautiful scent, so it is perfect to wipe down your kitchen after cooking, so you can just remove any remnant smells that you may not want to be there. Since I was going to town with cleaning, I thought I might as well clean the door. So not a usual step I'd add into my cleaning routine, but I just thought, hey, why not? The next product I'm using is Power Hob, and I'm going over the electric hob with this as it just helps remove any tougher stains or grease that may be on there. Afterwards, I then just go over the kitchen floor with a vacuum cleaner just to pick up any crumbs that could be there. I find that the Hoover struggles to reach into the corners, so I use a small dustpan and brush and just pick up any crumbs that could be tucked away in there. Next, I then get the duster just to go over areas lightly in case there's any dust or even cobwebs, you never know. A little fun fact for you, the cobwebs that you typically see in your house are old ones because there's dust on it, and that's why you can see them. And this is why I always do the ceilings even if I can't see them, as newer webs are very see-through. I then decided that I would do a load of washing, so I got all my whites, popped them in the washing machine, and I'm going to put them out to dry once I've done all the chores. While my laundry is washing, I just straighten up all the cushions. And then I do a light clean and polish of the lounge. The polish I use is Mr. Sheen, as it is perfect for multi-surfaces, so I don't have to worry about what is what and if it's suitable. I then continue the same routine around the house with wiping things down, then giving it a little dust and then polishing it. I don't know about you, but I find dusting very satisfying, so you will find me dusting in the most random areas. I didn't have much time left, so I finished off with doing the stairs. Of course, I gave it a light dusting, and then I just polished the banister. I then realised that I forgot to dust the lounge, so I then went and did that. So I did the curtains, the roof, and also the windows. I then finished my clean by hanging out my laundry outside to let it dry. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoy cleaning videos or even countryside and lifestyle content, then make sure to follow me, as I'll be posting a lot more of this in the future.